Hello friends, welcome back. It's me, your friend Nelo, with another reaction video. I hope you have a fantastic day. Friends, finally I have the time to react to the brand new single from Nightwish, of course. It's called Noise. It is from the upcoming album Human Nature. I think it will be released on 10th of April this year, so I am super excited. As you may know, I am a big fan from Nightwish. I choose to react to a video from with the legends in Portuguese because you may know that it's very important to understand the lyrics on all of the songs from Nightwish. Is Thomas is a brilliant writer, so I am super excited. I take this chance. If you are new to the channel, don't forget, help me, subscribe, leave a like and press the bell. That way you don't miss any of my videos. Saying that, friends, let's react to Nightwish on the new single Noise. Let's go, let's go. Let's go, let's go. A child. So weird. What is this?
Yourself, post for the dead. Have a near life experience. Hit a hard jam matrix. Now you're a star, playing avatar, feeding the beast in your loud ego.
What Troy is in his head? Huh? Alright. Mona Lisa, so sad. Oh yes. I am like it so far. Who is this girl?
Please love me, see how I bleed, please endure. I have such empathy in me. Harmless, harm, beautifully numb. Tapping the quiet air to have a meaning. Fire carry on, sad hologram, lost in the maze. The real and human feel. Sunset is free from this deity.
Thomas.
Voice go out and get in.
Sorry friends, I will stop here just to say what I think so far from the song. Well, I am like it so much so far, but on the beginning when Floor came to the song, I was not pretty sure, but now I am digging it. It is nice. I am like it. About the lyrics and about the video, I am. I think I need to see this more couple of times to understand correctly the meaning of the song. But for what I understand is about social media and corporations. I say that because you can see all of them are with the cell phones and so on. It's about social media, and nowadays no one can escape from it. Uh, Corporations. I saw Troy like a king in a throne with that strange hat in his head. I noticed that is a oil rig, so I noticed that will be about corporation. I think one thing that I don't understand so far is Marco. Marco is taking pills. I don't understand why, but let's go. Let's see how this song goes. Maybe in the finish I understand. Another thing, Thomas is a Greenpeace guy, a guy that, sorry for my English, is about is how I put this in English, is a ambientalist guy that all in the social media appears that he cares about ambiental. So another one another one is I noticed that Flora and Shadi is taking selfies all the time. Is about social media. That's it. I'm liking it so much so far, but I need to see this a couple more of times to understand completely the meaning of the song. But I am like it so much. Yes, yes, I am like it. Thomas is a genius on the lyrics. Wow. The child is growing.
Color a yarn and the crowds will gather.
No.
From the sunless world, no memories black on the coffee stairs that can sleep on brave new world. Rise to the corner human voice, when it's ugly and paranoia come
Wow, I like this transition. Yes, always taking selfish. Power's meaning song. Wow. What is this? It's simple. Oh yes. What is going with people? Sorry friends, I need to say something here. Here, when Kai is taking the selfie, when Empu is taking a bit, this is very true. This happened in Portugal the previous year. That shown on television that a group of teenagers, two of them are fighting. In all of them that are around are not breaking apart the fight. Is all of them taking selfies. Is so sad. The the girl was very injured. So this world is strange. We are dominated from social media. I noticed that in this video is a masterpiece. I noticed that all of them are preoccupied to how I put this English, to look good every time when on the cell phones, on social media like Facebook, YouTube, and so on. It's very true. Sorry, friends. Sorry. I am liking so much that. Let's go. Ah, now I understand. Wow.
from the sunless world, your memories black on the coffee stairs back at a sleep on brave new world. Rise to the corner
So sad.
when it's ugly and paranoia come
Wow, this end. Wow. He's a grown up. Wow. Wow. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. Love it, love it, love it. Wow, friends, what I can say about this? This is a masterpiece again from Nightwish. Love it so much. On the beginning of the song, I was not pretty sure about when Floor came to the song, but since then I am loving it so much. Thomas is a genius, as you know. This guy is genius. Is fantastic. The lyric is so powerful on the song. I like very much of the video also. Wow, is a masterpiece. What I can say about the lyrics, if I understand correctly, is about social media and corporations. This is my interpretation. Is about all of them to all of the video. I'm very concerned about his image, a personal image that they transmit on social media. All of them were about it. I noticed in the end of the video, I don't understand why Marco is taking the pills, but on the end of the video I understand it. Marco is, if I understand correctly, is trying to sell pills to us. Is a pharmaceutical is a pharmaceutical that he try to sell us the pills. Another thing is about corporations. As I mentioned before, Troy is with is the personal of as how I will put this in English, corporation, because he's in a throne with in a throne like a king, and with a strange head. On a strange head is having on his head is a rig oil, I think. So corporations with oil that dominate this world. Another thing I noticed was Empo try letting a bit is getting a bit from all of them, and Kai is taking a selfie. It's very true, very true. Is what happened now. People before taking actions, they all of the people now, but a majority of the people now taking selfies, making videos before take action. So it's very clear to me with Thomas in the video, because if you notice, he is very concerned about ambientalist and so on, but in the end, he's taking a bath on oil. So very true. No all, but it's very true. We speak, no action. Is my understand. But the song, if I understand correct, mention a Netflix series is. I need to see this again. But if I understand correct, it's about a Netflix series on a I'll put this on the refrain is there. I don't remember now the name of the series, but I remember that is about social media and how we are dominated about technology. So another reference, I think. But I am pretty sure that you guys will tell me all about it. But if I need to understand this correctly, I need to see this a couple more of times. But I am lucky. I am loving it so much. So if the album is like this song, we are on a masterpiece. So don't forget, is you can reserve the album right now. It will be able to get it on 10th of April, I think. So make your reserve. Wow, wow. Saying that, friends, if you are new to the channel, you like this kind of video, don't forget, help me, subscribe, leave a like and press a bell. That way you don't miss any of my videos. Bye bye, friends. Bye bye.